Boop, 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 boop. All right, it's hard for me to see what's behind me for when I want to cross over the street. I need to get some mirrors. So let me take care of that. Welcome to the channel. And as you can see, while riding my e-bike, I have a difficult time seeing behind me or anything, especially when I need to cross over the street or whatever on the left-hand side. I don't have any mirrors, so I need to put some mirrors on. So I want to show you a product that I picked up. It's, I don't know how do you say it, Mia Cow, whatever, bike mirror. Relatively inexpensive. This is shatterproof safety lens, all right. Has anti-glare. It is supposed to be scratch resistance, and I got the blue colored glass, all right. Let's take a look what we got inside. Just open it up. There's your mirror. I don't know if you can see, but it is blue. Can you see? Okay. And just need to unfold it and stuff, and yeah. Okay. And it also comes with its own Allen key. All right. So I'll set the camera up and we'll install this. This should be just a quick and easy install. Okay, the first thing you need to do is take your Allen key and just loosen up the bolt here so this comes out, and then you can wrap it around your handlebar. Okay. Because it's on a little hinge right here. So we just got to do that. Need to put this on somehow, wrap it around. Okay. There. Tighten that up a little bit. Okay. Now we just need to sit on the bike, I think, and just kind of see where this needs to go. Oof. I think that's going to be right there. For that, get on there and tighten this up. There ain't a lot of room here. Okay, tighten that one up. Okay, I don't think that's going to go anywhere. All right, so now you can swing this arm out. We'll have to probably adjust this some more when we get to there, right in the sea. You see, I got my arm right there. I can see my arm in the rear. All right. So I don't know where this is going to need to be. Okay. We're gonna have to make some more adjustments later, but all right, I'm gonna try tighten this one up here. I'm gonna tighten this one up. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can tighten this one up or not. Oh, you can. All right. So you can tighten this one up too. But you want to get it to where you, see, that's just looking at me. There. I got my arm in the background here. All right, let me see if that works. I'm going to tighten this up. But I'm also going to bring my okay, Allen key with me. There, quick and easy install. It just, boom. The hardest part is just getting it right to where you want it to be. So yeah, I can't move that anymore. All right, time for a test ride to see if it works. All right, let's go check out to see how this mirror is. Got my Allen wrench with me. We'll check out to see how this works. If it's in a good position or not. You may have to adjust it. We'll have to see. All right, for right now, I think it's a little too low. I'm gonna have to adjust it. I really can't see cars coming. I don't want to see any dirt road. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not really seeing the road. Gotta look down. All right. Let me see here. Adjust this a little bit more. Okay. Too high. There we go. Adjust this a little bit more. Okay. Let's see if this works. All right. All right, let's see. Okay, I can see. Yep, looks good. Yep. All right, now I can see pretty good. See anybody coming? All right. I don't know, should I leave this a little bit loose so I can adjust it, or should I just keep it tight? Yeah. Works out for me. Well, you know what? Let me see if I can swing this out a little bit more. There. I think that's good. Let's see. There we go. All right, that's a lot better. I think that's gonna work. Barely see my arm in there, and I get the whole road. Looks pretty good to me. All right, adjustment done. Okay, quick, easy install of the Macau bicycle mirror that I purchased. Let me show you one more time what it looks like. This is what it looks like from the front. Got a little design area there, all right, plastic. This is supposedly nylon. It's not metal, it's nylon, so it's lightweight. We'll see how good it lasts, how long it lasts. This is, relatively cheap mirror too, so. Okay, right there, design, Macau. I don't know if you can see, but it's blue. See? And easy install. You got your adjustment there. I mean, not your adjustment, but you loosen that up to put that on your handlebar, tighten it up. You loosen this up to adjust this arm, and then you have an adjustment right here, so you can swivel this, and you can tighten it up so it don't move anymore, or you could just snug it so you can move it. But in some of the reviews, I heard that it loosens up, so I'm going to keep the Allen wrench in my toolkit if we ever need to tighten it up. How'd I do? Leave it in the comments. What do you think? Link will be in the description below if you're interested in purchasing this. It is, I am an affiliate, so I will receive a small commission, but no extra charge to you if you purchase this. I think it's a great deal. Cheap way to give yourself some extra safety on your bike, so you don't have to stretch and turn your head around to look to see what's behind you. It's good. Like I said, on mine, over here, I don't know, I only got the left side because that's all I need, because I ride on the road and with traffic, so I just need to see the cars behind me. Down the line, I may get another one for the right side. I don't know. But anyway, if you're not already a subscriber, I greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. And if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Helps the channel out. Leave it in the comments. What do you think? And while you're at it, check out some of my links to some of my other affiliate links down there for some other products that you may be interested in, or some other sites for bicycle parts, stuff like that. And if you're interested in more of my videos, check out the next one up here. See you next time. Peace.